guess this is goodbye. 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 Bye. 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 Wait, the escape shuttle, we can escape. Oh, yes. It won't hold us all. But there's too many of us. If there's too many of us, it'll never hold us all. But that's impossible. No, it's not. It'll never hold us all. This is my base. I let you here. This is my fault. Where are you going? You can carry 5 men. What? Oh no, no, no. You've got to come. Carry 5 men and that's it. No, we're not leaving without this guy. We're not leaving without you, sir. We're not leaving without you, sir. You're loyal men. Thank you. You go away. The Delta Squad, they need you, base. I don't care. We're gonna fight these like men! Yeah! Yeah, good point. Because we are men, right? Right. Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna fight these cavalry. What? Why? Get the ship back here now! No, 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 no. We're gonna die! Yeah! No, we're not. We're all gonna fight like men, and we're gonna survive. You got that? Yay! No! We're not gonna win. You know we're not. Yes, we are! Well, that's the end of Delta Squad. I guess it's just Blue Squad. Go, 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 go! Oh, oh. Who the hell are you? I mean, you're not even in this place. Well, I'm going to kill you. Ha ha ha! No, you're not. Uh-oh. See you later. Help! Help me! Help! I can swim! Whee! Escape shuttle to the sun! Just about missed. Gotta get this sniper shot now. Okay, I'm gonna get this sniper shot. Okay, sir, I'll take out that blue. Which blue? That one. There's a load of them. Which one looks most dangerous? Probably the blue ones. Okay, take them out then. Who has a coal gun? Oh, that one's good. Yeah, I'll use this one. Nah, snuff, use a snuff. I'll take out the blue leader, sir. Okay, just give me a second. Just missed. Just missed.